Hi guys, how are you guys doing? You guys should not say that I always look like this when I start my vlog, but anyways, it's Easter Monday morning and I want to take you along. Just cooking. I don't have anything else to take along with Sha, but we are cooking today. And my brothers are also we're cooking today. So yeah, let's get started. See you in the kitchen. Bye. Say hi. Good morning.
From where you started, right?
Yes, yes.
Did you add more curry?
No.
The color came out.
Yeah. I think this curry masala is stronger than normal.
You just be packing it on it with ordinary curry. You want to see the curry in your house?
I think that's all for now. I'm done with the food. Hopefully it tastes nice. Fingers crossed. But yeah, that's all with the cooking. And you guys already saw the chicken in the oven. I wasn't on that grilled that one, or yeah, that one is my star. So if there's anything else, I would let you know. But if not, let me just close the year. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. This video is really scattered here, but I'll try to see what I can do with the clips and make it nice and if possible short. So see you around or not. But if you haven't subscribed, like this video, share, comment please. Bye.
Grandma in the building.
Grandma in the
I'm
building.
in the kitchen.
Yes, in the kitchen.
I love this camera.
Thank you.
Are we online?
Yeah, no, YouTube.
Oh, please watch our YouTube channel.
Yes, watch our video.
You will love it.
You will love it. Mommy, this address is fine though. Hey, Joy is coming. Joy is coming.
I love you.
Thank you, mommy. Yes, mommy. Very, mommy. Hi guys. So yeah, we've cooked the food. Everybody has finished it. And I'll take you guys. So this is my cup. And my sister-in-law made. She does the homemade yogurt basically. So I want 6 of yogurt and honey, chia seeds, and grape. So yeah, let's start. Seeds in water. As I be soak it in water, it's going to swell, so that's what I'm waiting for. Just leave it for this while. While it soaks, I'm going to put inside the freezer so that I can be still with. I made this chin when last week. I think last week, and it was here. I would leave a video, a picture of where it was. Okay, tried for last week, Sha. You should have finished. Because this day is Monday. I mean like last week. Sometime last week. Yeah, when I finished. I wasn't doing like this, so don't judge me. Guys, I know I never asked you guys how you are doing. And I don't want to be like a bad person. I just come here and show you guys and disappear. So let's just talk. How are you guys doing? How have you been? What's going on? How is Nigeria treating you? And if you're not in Nigeria, how is your country treating you? I hope you're good. What would I say? Stay safe. Stay safe. Yeah, stay focused. Stay prayed up. Stay on God. Yeah, be busy and booked. Coming from me, yeah, be busy and booked. I'm about to be busy and booked. You guys have been applying for job since February, and your country has decided to leave me on red. It has sent a lot of mails, not like a lot, sharp. I've applied. I haven't heard anything, so I'm waiting for portal to open. I'm having a at this point, it feels like I'm just talking nonsense. But anyways, yeah, I just wanted to actually sit down and talk to you guys, and thank you guys for everything, for the support. I never granted. And I shouldn't be talking when I'm saying this because I am bad manners. You don't eat when you're talking. Even where I am looking right now. It feels a mess for YouTube. But YouTube is gonna take me how I am. This is mostly how I am at home. The only time I dress up is when I'm going out. And it depends on the outside. If I'm going outside my gate like this, you still see me in my element. But if I'm going to church, I'm going to my father's house, you know. So I dress nice. If I'm going out, maybe like somewhere fancy, yeah. But it isn't anywhere fancy. But yeah, that's it. You guys take a I'll show you my yogurt when it's ready. I'm still waiting for this thing. Oh, it has swollen up now. Can you see? So I'm gonna pour this inside my yogurt, and I got it. Bye. Hey guys, so this is how it looks. Can you see how it's like after putting in water? It's like all clumpy. So yeah, I'm just gonna mix this together. I think I'm just going to take a thumbnail from here. So it has grape inside too. I just put like 3. I should have diced the grape inside, but I don't have the strength for that. So if anything else happens, I might vlog, but if not, I'm just going to like rest and have a good time. So I'll prefer if this is This was colder. That's why I put onion in the one of yesterday. I think I'll just put onion. Makes it a little bit sweet. So bye. So I might just look for YouTube video to watch, something on YouTube. Guys, do you guys watch Korean dramas? If you guys watch K-dramas, please recommend in the comment section, because I've been looking for something to watch and I haven't found. I don't know if it's like I haven't found, but like, yeah. Please recommend. And guys, Zima is back on YouTube, and I've been getting food every Sunday for the past 3 weeks. So yeah, I think she's like my favorite YouTuber. Do I have a favorite YouTuber? I don't think I have a favorite YouTuber, but like the one person that I would say I constantly watch her videos for quite a lot of time. She and I am Yechi Kelechi Mbeminasu. Yeah. So bye. Alright, it's mine. You guys.
Are rushing. Everybody will collect it. Don't worry.
Bye guys, see you in my next video.